the beginning of another clearing work to make it a bit friendlier for campers, a bit less snaky, but more importantly, I can enjoy it too. Then I can go and other people can enjoy it. That's the plan. Always has been. Done it all my life. It's very pretty back here, but I wouldn't be stepping down here much unless it was cleaned a bit more. And I seem to make no-dig gardens with the detritus of the cleansing. Simple. I'll chuck a few rotten potatoes in there or something later. Who knows? Oh well. Just having fun.